What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniel. If you're new here in this channel, I'm a new investor, so I'm basically sharing my journey and what I learned, what I wish I learned a little bit faster, and the growth or the downs or the ups or whatever it is in my portfolio. And if you're into that kind of stuff, then consider hitting the subscribe button and the like button, or not. So if you're into the stock market, then I guess you already know what happened yesterday. Yesterday was June 11th, and let me get into the good first. So yesterday, when I go into my public app, I have a little $1.80 extra that I didn't have the previous days. And when I go and see what it was, ExxonMobil had paid me a dividend payout of 92 cents, which that was unexpected. I guess I didn't get a notification from the public app, which I think they should have sent me one so I could get a little hyped up. Robinhood does, just saying. And Johnson & Johnson sent me 10 cents. That's my third payout that's my third dividend payout, which I'm very happy about. I know it's like $3 now. That's really good for me. I'm very happy with the outcome so far. I know in the last video, a lot of you guys were super supportive. Like, yeah, that's what every dividend investor looks for, that the money they invest, they see the return. That's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. That was the good yesterday once I logged into the public app and I saw the little extra dollar something popped up. Also, something good that happened, I'm gonna put in the screen so you guys can follow along with me. Back at 11 a.m. June 5th, my portfolio started going up and up and up. My investments were going up and I was happy. A little dip there. And then it went up all the way up on June 8th to $353. My investment, I want to say, that was just from the public app. I want to say from the Robinhood app also went up. So basically, my $440 portfolio was like $520. So I got a really good return on my investment. I was, wow, this is crazy. But I also did not ignore the news. I don't know if you know, but here in the United States, the recent pandemic, they were giving out stimulus checks to help out the economy, to boost the economy. Now, what I was also reading in the news was a lot of people that were getting the stimulus checks, they were investing it. They were new into the market and they had the extra money, so why not invest it, right? And this has been causing, kind of like, from what I've seen on other YouTubers and what I've seen on the news, this has kind of been causing a fake environment, I want to say, for the stock market, because it's just people pumping money into the market. And what this is doing is it's creating this illusion that there's so much money in the market, and when in reality, it's just a lot of people like myself who are new to this, who are basically not really sure on what they're investing in. They're just kind of like dipping their toes, and it is pumping money into the system. So this could be one of the reasons why the market was going up so much. If you've been following the news in the past 3 weeks with all the pandemics, there's a second wave of coronavirus, or there's expected a second wave of coronavirus to hit. Investors are scared. People are scared because if we have another pandemic, the businesses are going to shut down and it's going to create this market crash. And this is exactly what just happened yesterday on the 11th. You can see the market open, and then my portfolio started going down and down and down, and everything went down yesterday. So I basically lost like 24 bucks. But it's okay. Going back to what the news was saying, this is happening because people are scared that there's a second wave of the virus coming and it could shut down everything again. It's a possibility. A lot of investors, they do watch the news. They are news driven. So whatever the news are saying, whatever they think is happening, they will invest their money towards whatever their feelings are at the moment. And this could be the main cause why the market crashed yesterday. Now, what are my thoughts on, what are my feelings on it? I don't have millions of dollars invested. So for me, if I lose $23, $50, $100, it's not gonna completely. And then also, guys, I want to point something out. If you have your money invested and you sell it because, let's say, it went down, your stock was at 50, it went down all the way to 30, you haven't lost 20 bucks. If you don't sell, you don't lose. If you hold and then eventually it's gonna ramp back up, then you haven't really lost anything. That's at least the mentality that I have. I usually say I haven't lost money unless I sell my stocks. If I don't sell, if I still own the stock, I haven't sold anything. Whatever I invested is still there, it's still safe. Unless, you know, crap hits the fan and everything gets shut down, the Robinhood app or the public app shut down, or whatever the case is, you haven't lost your money. So I don't know if that's a good approach. If you are a older investor, then please put in the comments, maybe I should have a switch in my mentality. I have the mentality, if I invest 100 bucks and the stock goes down to 80, I haven't lost 20 bucks. I haven't lost until I sold. So again, going back to my thoughts and feelings, I think it's gonna be okay. I don't think the market is gonna crash completely and it's just gonna keep going down. If it does go down, I'm gonna invest a little more and invest a little more. Eventually it's gonna rise back up. If you are a new investor, do I think it's a great time? Me personally, I would say do your research, see what you feel comfortable with investing, see if you even feel comfortable investing, and if it feels right, then by all means go ahead and invest. But as of now, I will continue to invest. I'm not gonna sell my stocks. If anything, I'm gonna buy more. We'll see what happens. This is my first, I think, 4th month in the market now. It's been crazy. It's been good. I like it. I'm loving the little dividends that I'm getting here and there. If I had that money in the bank, trust me, I would not be even getting like 1% of all the money that I invested. And with that being said, this is it, guys. Just wanted to share my thoughts real quick on the market, everything that happened, why I think it crashed. Hopefully you guys are liking this type of videos that I'm putting out, basically just sharing my journey with you guys and basically kind of explain my point of view on certain things, because I'm not an expert. I'm just a regular guy who's getting into this crazy world of investing. I like sharing with you guys what I learned and what I wish I learned. So if you are liking this video, give me a thumbs up. Also comment below what type of videos you guys are into, what more you wish you could see. And I don't know, I kind of like vlogs. I was thinking of maybe doing like a vlog with a sit down combination. I don't know. Give me some ideas. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.